Okay guys, this is Uno once again signing in YouTube. It's been a while since I made a YouTube video tutorial, so I'm coming back again, so please pay attention to my tutorial. Okay, so let's start. The title of my tutorial is this one. Okay, this is the title of my tutorial. Uno tutorial, Yahoo Booters, how to use YML cracked by Brother Ghost, Y Republica style. Okay, so let's do this and take a look and learn from me. I'm not an expert. Yahoo is a learning process. They have something new every day, so let's do this. First, you must put in your name to log in, the password here, the name of the rooms right here, right there. Then to do that, then after that you put that, you log in, then you join the room. Unfortunately, I've chosen Metro Manila Barcada 23, so please bear with me. Captcha 6S6FTA5. Then submit. Submit. There it goes. Goes in the room. So your bot ID using YML is in the room. So guys, pay attention. I'm in a login mode. See, now we go to Freeze Boys. Here, from login mode, we go to the Freeze Boys site. Okay, what you want to do is, if you're in here, click in Login Voice, just like that, and boom, there it goes. You have a voice in the room. You have a busy in the room. Let's see. Mail in them. Mail in them. There goes mail in them. So mail in them. Your bots have a busy in the room already. So let's do this. Room control. Here it is. You want to room boot. Okay, you want to room boot a welcomer Ycrash who enters the room, automatic room boot. Okay, there it goes. Kill duplicate removing room number, save working ID in the room, and you can minimize the program. Okay, let's go to Freeze Boys. You see someone stepping in the VC. Step in like a freezer. Let's freeze the PC. Let's go. There it goes. Here it is, 20 listeners. So I'll stop it, and you just messy freeze. This is a BC logger. Let's like that, and look. See how many have left the room. If you use this messy logger, if you step in the VC, all YM users in the room will get booted out. Okay? Then the log. See? Log. Then real-time log, which you can speak in the VC and they will hear you loud and clear. And that's it. In here, you log in, you can load the boats, you log in the boats, and you can click and rotate login servers for you to not be banned in Yahoo, and that's it. Alright, single victim, see, single victim. First, you must load in the boats. Okay, and the rooms, here it is, YM Logger, YM Crush, Hell Rejected, Power PM. All of those are options for room booting. And welcomer, if you want to write a welcomer, what kind of welcome you want, there it goes. Ycrash is in the room. It will have a message when the ID is booted using YM Messenger. So this is Uno guys.